Hello, I'm in Coconut Grove. I'm looking at one of the newest listings we just got. Wanted to give you a tour. So we're here on Day Avenue. This is a beautiful townhome. Plenty of parking, new landscaping. Let's walk inside. So the unit is completely remodeled. We're just finishing up the last touches. Needs a deep clean, but other than that, it's move-in ready. Huge living area here, right by the entrance. Plenty of light coming in. All impact windows and doors. You have storage under the staircase. Then here you have a half bath, washer dryer, and then you walk into the newly remodeled kitchen. You have a pantry off the kitchen and another living space. I call this the family room. Then you walk out to your private pool area. This pool is heated, has a pool heater. Lots of really nice landscaping that has been just put up. It's all newly planted. Very easy to maintain. All right, so let's walk upstairs. So this has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. High ceilings. The floor here is luxury vinyl. It's water and scratch proof. Very large main bedroom. This is your main bath. It has double sinks. And you have a large balcony here to walk out and enjoy Coconut Grove. And right here, this street is Gifford Lane. So you're on Day and Gifford Lane in the Center Grove, and you can basically walk to everything in the Grove, including restaurants, shopping, the marinas. You can go jogging. It's a really wonderful location. You're also close to schools. So now here we have 2 guest rooms. Number 1, number 2. Let me also show you the closets. You have the closets. And then on this one, you have the sink outside here. So, if one person uses the bathroom, you have another sink out here, second sink inside, and your tub shower combination. Okay, this townhouse is available as soon as possible. We just have a few finishing touches available for rent at $97.50. I've had 4 showings today, so if you're interested, be quick because this is gonna move fast. You make it a beautiful day.